This week's adventure I have for you Yellowstone National Park, where I'll cover the upper terrace drive of Mammoth Hot Spring. Hi, I'm Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. Come along with me on this week's adventure, just right off of US 89. And here you're watching a sneak peek of what's to come.
Do not enter, keep right. Okay, let's go check this out. Upper Terrace Drive, no RVs, trucks, I think is what it said. This will just be a riding tour, I guess, of the hot springs. I think that gives you kind of a feel for the area. You're looking at Mammoth Springs down there. So this is the Upper Terrace Drive. Ford Yellowstone. Wow. Well, I see some smoke right here coming out of the ground. Interesting patterns and colors. Is it not interesting pattern and colors? This is beautiful just right through here at these cedar trees. This little narrow drive they put in just for cars. That's cool. Hello. smoking. How y'all doing today? Let's take a little bit better look at that. There you go. Y'all can get a good look at that. Looks like some of it just recently broke off at some point. Oh, that's cool looking. Look at this. This is like a dirt trail, paved. I love it. Nice and smooth. Not rough like a dirt trail. Oh my God. Oh, look at that back in there. That's cool. Oh, the big blackbirds, no. Wildlife. Too many people, too close to town. Well, there's wildlife right there by my RV park in Gardner. A lot of people. Oh, not a good water source right here for the wildlife, so why would they come up in here with people? That makes sense. Wide open, black Terrace. Oh wow. Okay. Cool. I rode it fast enough to be like riding a roller coaster. Twists and turns and ups and downs in this case. I normally wear this thin long sleeve to keep the sun off my arms, but man, I'd be cold if it was for this. Still a little chilly. Oh, what we got here? Oh, that's gorgeous. Now that is worth filming. Don't see this every day.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I have adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends. Join me next week where I pick up where I left off here in Yellowstone National Park, where I continue heading south on US 89. All this beautiful scenery and whatever's coming up next. Sometimes a surprise is a good thing. Again, thank you for watching this week's episode, and join me next week for more from Yellowstone National Park. Until then, have a good one.